Welcome back to the Automaster, your destination for in-depth reviews, detailed insights, and the latest updates on the world's most exciting vehicles. Today we are diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a model that continues to redefine the luxury sedan segment with its sophisticated design, top-tier technology, and exceptional performance. Mercedes has taken another step forward in elevating comfort and innovation with the 2026 version, making it one of the most refined models in the company's prestigious lineup. The exterior of the new S-Class strikes a perfect balance between elegance and presence. It boasts an updated grille design with sleeker horizontal slats, slimmer LED headlights that incorporate the latest digital light technology, and a more sculpted body for better aerodynamic efficiency. The overall shape remains true to its executive roots, but adds a slightly more dynamic profile. Alloy wheels ranging up to 21 inches, along with flush door handles and chrome accents, add to the car's premium appeal. The rear section features redesigned LED tail lamps and subtle tweaks to the bumper that enhance its stately posture. Step inside and you are greeted by a cabin that feels more like a high-tech lounge than a car interior. The 2026 S-Class features upgraded Nappa leather, wood veneer inlays, ambient lighting with expanded color options, and a reimagined layout that puts the focus on comfort and user interaction. The massive OLED touchscreen floats seamlessly on the center console, paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver display. MBUX 2.0 with AI enhancements takes infotainment to a whole new level, recognizing voice commands, gestures, and even facial expressions. The seats now feature enhanced massage functions, climate control, and memory settings to ensure absolute relaxation for all occupants. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers multiple engine options depending on the trim. The base model includes a turbocharged inline-six with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology, while higher trims feature a twin-turbo V8, both offering a smooth and silent ride with seamless power delivery. For those leaning towards sustainability, a plug-in hybrid variant delivers impressive electric-only range without compromising performance. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction, while adaptive air suspension delivers a cloud-like ride quality even on rough terrain. In terms of safety and assistance features, the 2026 S-Class is fully loaded. It includes the latest generation of Mercedes driving assistance package with features like active distance assist, active lane keeping, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, the car now offers Level 3 semi-autonomous driving in certain regions, making commuting more relaxing and secure. The 2026 S-Class is not just a luxury sedan. It's a technological masterpiece that caters to drivers and passengers who seek the finest in comfort, innovation, and prestige. From its exterior elegance to its interior opulence and cutting-edge technology, this model is built to impress at every level. Thanks for watching this review on Automaster. If you enjoy premium car content and want to stay ahead with the latest automotive updates and reviews, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out.